botanical garden. It's really a miracle to walk in such place, feel like the soul back to home.